WhatsApp's revoking messages feature is useful, but it can be frustrating when someone sends you a message and deletes it before you get a chance to read it. You might wonder if there is a way to see the messages that the sender erased. The answer is yes. In this video, I'll show you how to see WhatsApp deleted messages by sender on iPhone. Make sure you watch the video until the end. Sadly, if you happen to be an iPhone user, there are few options available when restoring and seeing deleted messages. You cannot count on the notification bar, like on Android, to show you all the messages, and you are left with the option of restoring WhatsApp backup from your iCloud. Now here are the steps to retrieve WhatsApp data from iCloud. Before taking the first step, you must confirm that a backup exists. To confirm if you have an existing chat backup, navigate to WhatsApp settings, move to Chats, and select Chat Backup. It will show you the backup you created recently. Once you confirm that you have a backup, exit WhatsApp and uninstall it. Now head to Apple Store and reinstall WhatsApp. Log in and complete the verification process. Now, WhatsApp will automatically prompt you to restore the backup that you have created. Simply hit Retrieve or Restore, and WhatsApp will begin restoring your chats. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.